So that is the light blue. Okay, time for dusty blue. Hmm. Okay. I was thinking it was going to be more of a gray blue, and I guess it can be that way a little bit. But it's almost like they took the light blue and added just a touch of teal to it. Huh. Now I like that. I like how it's a little muted. It's a little bit understated, but overall, um, because it's not a color I've had before, I don't have any go-tos right off the bat. But I could definitely see this being one that I would go to a lot, especially when making something where a kid says, "Well, just make something cool." Because I do like that color, and I think it would be really good with some others. Okay, so that's the dusty blue.